In this video, I'll be showing you how to react without the drama. Here is a video I downloaded, and you could see that lady appearing at the front of the video. In other words, when you play the video, you see her moving. And I want to use this video, I want to post this video. How do I then go about removing her moving image or video from this video? So here is a simple video editing hack to apply to this and still make this video come out. So I'll click on the crop option. So I will sensibly and stylishly crop her and leaving the vital parts where the main information lies. As you can see, she also took the video from somewhere and reacted to it. Can you see it? But right now, I'm cropping the mobile phone. You can see it. Alright, so I've cropped it to the extent that I would leave the most vital part. The part that contains the information I want to use. Alright, so now I simply press OK. You can see it's out. But when you see play the video, you see part of her hair on this particular video. You can see it. Okay, so that's the moving hand. That moving hand doesn't really matter. Alright, so that's the moving hand. So what I need to do now is to click my PIP section. That's the next thing I need to do. Click my PIP section. So I'll then bring in my own video which I want to use to react to that particular content. As you can see, I've cropped it perfectly now. I'll just still trying to adjust the cropping. So I think it's very okay now. Very okay. So the next step is that I want to put it on one side and create a space for the video I'm about to bring in through my PIP menu. So that's my PIP. I'll click it. I'll go and search for this particular video which I want to use on that video. Alright, so another important thing is that I will reduce the volume. So it's on this folder image. I'll then bring it out of this folder image. You can see here's the video. It's already here. So the next thing is that I will cut out. As well. So once I cut out now, alright, so meaning cut out means to remove the background in the image. Alright, so I cut out, removing the background in the image. I'll wait for it to load a bit. But however, if I click my good, I can still proceed with what I'm doing while it is still loading. Alright, so now I'll resize this video so that it will fit into that space. So you could see that I have finally covered her hair. I want to increase it a bit so that it will perfectly fit in now. Alright, so it is here already. So good. You can see that's me, and that's it. So I will then trim this last part, I delete. I'll tap on one and clip to the end. It will stop exactly where this video ends. Alright, so I've done that. I'm taking it to the beginning now. So I think the next thing is that I'll locate the volume menu. I'll locate the volume menu, reduce the volume, and then I will export. So here is it already exporting now. So it is already exporting. I click that X to remove the advert. So as you can see, it's already converting. It's converting. And that's how to edit for reaction. So in brief, this is how to do simple edits for your reaction videos. So you could try this for your Facebook post, TikTok post, or YouTube post. Alright, so this is just how to go about it, and you just have to follow the steps from beginning till the end. So this is just like a basic tutorial guide on video editing. So if you wish to learn more about video editing, you could book a class with us and contact us via our description. When you click our channel, you see the description, you see the WhatsApp contact with which you can use to book our class. We can schedule a class with you and teach you how to edit simple content. Do you know that by using other people's video, you can simply monetize your Facebook channel, YouTube channel, and by perfectly understanding the hacks or simple tips that guide video editing. For everything in life, there are rules, and every platform has a rule. One of the reasons why you should learn video editing, one, particularly if you do reaction content, to minimize your chances of you having copyright strike or copyright claim. And most of them normally come from either audio or video. So but with a knowledge of proper editing, you see yourself shining and doing so well in content creation. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more. I hope to see you in my next video.